Good morning, traders. How are you? I have missed you. I hope you've been well. I hope you had a good end to the trading week last week and had a wonderful weekend. India is a fantastic country. Yeah, a real attack on the senses. I thoroughly enjoyed it. But it's good to be back, guys. It's good to be back. We're going to start this week as normal. I'm going to give you your trade ideas. There obviously won't be a recap because I wasn't trading on Friday. But yeah, we'll still look at the important trades that you can take for today, guys. All right. Before I do, let's do a few shout outs. So first of all, guys, don't forget the Discord channel. This is a blossoming rose and there's lots of traders in there sharing great ideas, guys. So come and join that. You won't be disappointed. Secondly, don't forget the live stream. Our live stream this Wednesday, guys, 6:30 a.m. London GMT. Come join us for that. Ask as many questions as you like. I will answer all of them. And finally, guys, if you would like to be mentored one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email. Okay, so all the information for all of this is in the video description, guys. So this week, Monday, the 5th of December, trade ideas for today, guys. Yeah, like I say, no recap today. We're going to start by looking at the dollar index because it's at a really interesting level, guys. So it was once resistance here and now becomes support. And this is the weekly chart, guys. All right. And now you can see it's hitting this area as well. So this is an important area for the dollar index. So let's see how it reacts. If we look how this affects other US dollar pairs, so let's look at, which one was I looking at? New Zealand US dollar, guys. So you can also see, this again is the weekly chart, but some of the pairs are also hitting into some weekly resistance or weekly support, yeah? If we take a look at another one, if we look at US dollar Swiss franc, as you can see, guys, this low did actually hold. This wick closed beneath it. So this is a weekly area of potential support here as well. What other ones was I looking at? If we look at Aussie dollar, US dollar, yeah, this is again, if we look through here, if I zoom out a little bit, this area here, yeah, all these lows here are potential areas of resistance for this pair. But having said all this, guys, the one US dollar pair, one major that I am looking at today is the euro against the US dollar. I know some of the other pairs are hitting into resistance or maybe a little bit overbought or oversold, but euro US dollar, I still think this has room to the upside, guys. All right. So again, this is the weekly chart. And this grey zone that I have mapped out, this was from last week, guys. So, yeah, this area here was once support. When it breaks, it becomes a resistance. Okay, and then when it came back up, guys, we saw this candle form. Okay, so we wanted to see how price would behave at this grey zone. I expected we had a little bit of room to the downside in terms of a retrace. But the markets had other ideas. And then if you look at this weekly candle now, yeah, super bullish and broken through this grey zone, broken this last weekly high here. And for me, guys, we have a bit of room to the upside. Okay, so that's what the daily chart is telling me, guys. And I've chosen this 1.0650 level, yeah, as a get my teeth in, bear with me, I've been away, a psychological level to aim for. Okay, if we now drop down to the day chart, guys, we can see things a little bit more clearly. And as you can see, yeah, it's pushed through this grey zone. Okay, yeah, it's pushed through this grey zone. The uptrend is still intact. Yeah, still in an uptrend. It's broken these highs here. Okay, and I still think we have room up to this level. Like I say, guys, all of these candles are bullish. Yeah, obviously today's candle hasn't started, hasn't finished forming yet, but all of this is bullish. This candle, just bullish. I think we can take it up to this blue level. All right, guys, so that's the reasons why we're looking to buy this pair, guys. Let's go down to the H1 chart, and this is our how. So obviously this grey zone, guys, here, this was that big weekly grey zone, but it could still potentially retrace to here. But what I'm looking for, guys, in order to trade this pair is firstly a retrace into this grey zone. Yeah, then we see a bullish reaction. If we get that, yeah, we can take price back up to the last H1 highs, close 80%, and then leave 20% to run. That's how I roll. You could leave 100% to run. All right, if that doesn't happen, guys, then price could retrace, yeah, back down to this level. Okay, if it starts breaking below this level, yeah, I'm not interested. I want to see what price action does after that. But if price reacts at this level, yeah, we get a bullish reaction. Again, I think we can take price back up to these highs, close 80%, and then leave 20% to run. Okay, so first trade idea is Euro US dollar. We're looking to buy this pair, guys. The next one I'm looking at is this. This is Swiss franc Japanese yen. Okay, let's start with the day chart. So as you can see, guys, price is breaking down with this pair. Okay, price was in an uptrend. Okay, and then it's sort of been ranging, trying to break down whilst ranging, and then eventually we got a break downwards, guys, and it's broken, you know, these lows here. Okay, it's even broken this low here. Okay, this low here. So everything is telling us that we're in a downtrend. Yeah, we've got lower lows and now lower highs. Okay, so the structure is in a downtrend. If we zoom in, guys, so you can see the candles a little bit more clearly, we've also got very bearish candles. Yeah, so this was bearish. Okay, and then we've got this one form on Friday as well. So the candles are bearish. I think we can take price back down to this blue line, this psychological level at 142. Okay, so again, day chart is your Y. Let's go down to the H1 chart now and see our possible entry levels. Okay, so we've got a couple of entry levels here, guys. So yeah, a couple of things could happen. So first of all, price could come back up into this zone. Okay, test these last H1 highs here. We get a bearish reaction. We can then take price back down to the last H1 low, close 80%, and then leave 20% to run. Okay, guys, so that's the first possible trade idea on Swiss franc Japanese yen. If that doesn't happen, then this could happen, guys. Yeah, price could retrace all the way back up to this level, which corresponds with this last high and these lows here. And again, just want to see a bearish reaction, guys, can then get into the trade, take it back down to the last H1 low, close 80%, and then leave 20% to run. Okay, guys, so Swiss franc Japanese yen, we're looking to short this pair. And the third trade idea for today, guys, is this. This is the Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc. I think I saw a couple of you guys shorting this from Thursday or Friday in the Discord channel. And guys, loads of things happening in the Discord channel, so come join it. And also, guys, if you're enjoying this analysis, then why not come join us? Yeah, subscribe to the channel, smash that notification button, and also smash the like button, guys. I would love to have you on the channel. Right, final trade idea for today is this: Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc. Okay, so again, guys, yeah, we can see that price is clearly in a downtrend on the daily chart. Yeah, it was building some momentum, but then it come crashing down, breaking these lows. I created a new lower high, and we've been in a downtrend ever since. Okay, so all we want to do is follow this downtrend. We also have some bearish candles form, yeah, on Thursday and Friday, and we just want to continue this momentum down to this psychological level of 6,900. Okay, so that's the idea. If we drop down to the H1 chart now to see where we can enter, what levels are of interest. And we've got a couple of interesting levels for us, guys. Okay, so First of all, yeah, this first grey zone, because of this high, these lows, this low, is an interesting zone. So if price comes up into here, yeah, we get a bearish reaction or something like a breakdown in M15 structure. Remember, we're looking for confluence. We can enter the trade, take price back down to these lows. This is where I close 80% of my trade, and then I let 20% run, guys. Okay, if that doesn't happen, guys, then price could retrace back up to here. Yeah, again, this is an important level because of these highs. It's reacted here. So price could retrace up into here. Again, we just want to see a bearish reaction. I'd probably take price down to this grey zone, close 80%. Yeah, put your stop above here, close 80%, and then leave 20% to run, guys. Okay, so a couple of grey zones we can trade from on Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. All right, guys. So yeah, they're the 3 trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news now. Guys, if you're enjoying the trade ideas and the analysis, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, smash that notification button. Also smash the like button. It really supports the channel. Thank you very much. Right, news for Monday, the 5th of December, guys. So overnight, we've had ECB President Lagarde speaking, okay, but that didn't really have any impact on the euro thus far. If we carry on down, the first piece of news that we're interested in today is this. At 9:30 London GMT, we've got 2 pieces of PMI data coming out of the UK, guys. So this could really move any pound pair. If we carry on down, there's only one more piece of news that we're interested in. It's more PMI data coming out of the US, 3 o'clock London GMT. And again, 3-star ratings. So this could move any US dollar pair. And as you can see, guys, after that, no other news for the rest of the day. Okay, guys, so that's it. I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share. I hope you have a fantastic trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow, guys.